Whew. Hey son, would you mind going outside and getting the paper for your pops?
Well, I'm cubing right now, and it's like 16 degrees outside, so.
Oh, okay, yeah. Don't worry about it. I can get it.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. My back. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, my knee. Oh, my knee.
Do you want me to just get the paper?
Oh, you're too kind. Go ahead.
All right, yeah, no problem.
Of course, go out all cold and. Oh, jeez.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Cold, 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 cold. Oh, 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 it's deep. It's deep. Okay, okay, okay. Cold, 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 warmth. All right, here you go. Okay, here we go. Oh, geez. What am I gonna do? Oh, you think cold hands are gonna stop me? No, sir. Nice. All right, here we go. I'm an idiot. Okay, just do it. Just, ow. Okay, go for it. Go for it. Oh, you idiot! Ice, 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 ice. Ow, 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 ow. Oh. Oh.
Hey son, could you get the Oh, yeah, don't worry about it. I got it. Oh, why you're too kind. Oh, you're too kind. Well, go ahead. Oh, you're too kind. Go ahead.
Quick little update. The lens is currently defogging because it is freezing outside. It's actually 16 degrees, so my hands are tingling. They're very red. I don't know if you can tell, but it is very cold. Please like the video. Cold, 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 cold. Okay, okay. Cold, 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 cold. Go, 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 go.